Hello friends, in this video we will proceed with second type of sequential output tracing puzzle wherein we need to do numbering of each word in the given input and check what is the pattern in the following steps by the order of the numbers we assigned earlier. To make this concept clear, let's go with an example. The language of example says that for the input which is given as you must know how to do. A coding machine generates passcodes for 5 batches every day. The first batch begins work at 10 am and each batch works for 1 hour. There is a rest period of 1 hour after the third batch work is over. Here we are given passcodes for 3 batches. The work of first batch begins at 10 am. After 1 hour, that is at 11 am, second batch will start working and third batch will start its work at 12 pm. As it is mentioned that there is a rest period of 1 hour after the third batch work is over, therefore we can write there is a rest period at 1 pm. Now to determine the passcodes for next 2 batches, first we would do labeling of all the words in the input by numbers. So we would label you by 1, must by 2, no by 3, how by 4, 2 by 5 and do by 6. Now in the subsequent batches, we will label the words by their original numbers that we assigned in the input. So for the first batch, the respective label number of you is 1, of do is 6, of must is 2, of 2 is 5, of no is 3 and of how is 4. Again for the second step, we will do the numbering of words in same way. So the label number of how is 4, you is 1, no is 3, do is 6, 2 is 5 and must is 2. Now repeat the same process of numbering each word. So we would label how with 4 number, must with 2, you with 1, 2 with 5, no with 3 and do with 6. With this numbering, we can observe that the words are rearranged following 2 patterns alternatively. In pattern 1, the words of the previous step are arranged in the order first last, second last, third last and so on. We can observe this pattern between input and batch 1 and also in batch 2 and batch 3. As in batch 1, the first word of input, that is you, is being placed first in the batch 1. Then the last word of input, that is do, is being placed next to you in batch 1. Then the second word of input, must, is being placed next to do. Now the second last word of input, to, is being placed next to must and so on. Now in the second pattern, the words of the previous step are arranged in the order last first, second last second, third last third and so on. And we can observe second pattern between batch 1 and batch 2. As the last word of first batch, that is how, is being placed first in batch 2, then the first word of batch 1, that is you, is being placed next to how in batch 2, then the second last word no is being placed next to you in batch 2, and after no, the second word of first batch, that is do, is being placed in batch 2, and so on. With these pattern changes, we will determine the passcodes for next 2 batches. Since the 2 patterns are being followed alternatively, and between batch 2 and batch 3, pattern 1 was being followed, therefore words of the fourth batch will be rearranged according to pattern 2. So let's take batch 4, and as per the pattern 2, the last word, that is do, will come first with its respective labeled number, that is 6. Next, first word of batch 3, that is how, will come and its respective labeled number is 4. Then the second last word of batch 3, that is no, will come and its labeled number is 3. Then the second word of batch 3, that is must, will come and its respective labeled number is 2. Now the third last word, that is 2, will come with its labeled number 5. And now the third word of batch 3, that is you, will come and its labeled number is 1. And batch 4 will begin its work at 2 pm. Now to determine the passcode for batch 5, we would rearrange the words of batch 4 according to pattern 1. So let's rearrange words for batch 5. As per the pattern 1, the first word of fourth batch, that is do, will come first in fifth batch with its respective labeled number, that is 6. Then the last word of fourth batch, that is you, will come and its labeled number is 1. Then the second word of fourth batch, how, will come. Then second last word of fourth batch, to, will come. Now the third word of batch 4, no, will come. And now the third last word of batch 4, must, will come. This is the passcode for fifth batch, whose work will start at 3 p.m. And finally we got the passcodes for all the 5 batches. Now let's do few questions based on this example's pattern of rearrangement. In first question, we are required to find the passcode for batch at 3 p.m. whose input is given as you are not in the circle. Before solving this question, let's do numbering of all the words in the given input. So we would label U by 1, R by 2, not by 3, in by 4, the by 5 and circle by 6. Now as we know from the initial example that the batch which works at 3 p.m. is batch 5. And now we will note down the numbering of passcode for batch 5 from the initial example, which is 6, 1, 4, 5, 3 and 2. And we have taken the numbering of batch 5 because its work begins at 3 p.m. Now to find the passcode for batch 5 of the given input, we will simply arrange all the words of the input as per the order of their respective labeled numbers in the pattern 6, 1, 4, 5, 3 and 2, as this is the pattern for the passcode of batch 5 or the batch at 3 p.m. So the word labeled with 6 number in the input, that is circle, will come below 6. Now we will write the word labeled with number 1, that is you, below 1. Now the word labeled with number 4, that is in, will come below 4. Now the word that is labeled with number 5, that is the, will come below 5. Next we will write the word labeled with number 3, that is not, below 3. And the word labeled with number 2, that is R, will come below 2. Therefore, this is the passcode for fifth batch at 3 p.m. Now let's do second question, again based on the initial example's pattern of rearrangement. In this question, passcode for fifth batch is given as funv2 do here R, and we are required to find the input. Before moving further, I would like to make a note here that in the first step of sequential output tracing questions, it was not possible to determine the exact previous steps or input from a given step, but in this type, we can determine the exact previous steps from a given step, as in this type, we do numbering of all the words in each step. Now to find the input from the passcode of fifth batch, first you will note down the pattern that we obtained earlier in the initial example for fifth batch in terms of numbers, that is 6, 1, 4, 5, 3 and 2. And this is the pattern of the numbers which we labeled to the words of the fifth batch. Therefore, we can also label the words of the passcode for the fifth batch in the given question in the same order. So we would label fun by 6 number, V by 1 number, 2 by 4 number, do by 5 number, here by 3 number and R by 2 number. Now for the input, we know that the pattern for the labeled numbers is of order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we would write the words corresponding to the labeled numbers, such as the corresponding word for the labeled number 1 is V. Therefore we will write V below 1. Now we will write the word corresponding to the labeled number 2, that is R, below 2. Now we will write word corresponding to the labeled number 3, that is here, below 3. Next we will write the word corresponding to the labeled number 4, that is 2, below 4. Now we will write the word corresponding to the labeled number 5, that is do, below 5. And now we will write the word corresponding to the labeled number 6, that is fun, below 6. Therefore the required input is, we are here to do fun. Now let's proceed to next question, which is also based on the same pattern of rearrangement as that of the initial example. The language of this question says that Raj was to attend batch at 3 p.m. with passcode. This is a very new pen, but was forced to work at 12 noon batch. What was his new passcode? So in this question, passcode for batch at 3 p.m., which is 5th batch according to the initial example, is given, and we are required to find passcode for batch at 12 noon, that is 3rd batch as per the initial example. First, we would note down the pattern that we obtained earlier in the initial example for 5th batch in terms of labeled number, that is 6, 1, 4, 5, 3 and 2. This is the pattern of the numbers which we labeled to the words of the 5th batch. Therefore, we can also label the words of the passcode for 5th batch in the given question and in the same order. So this will be labeled with 6 number, is with 1 number, a with 4 number, very with 5 number, new with 3 number and pen with 2 number. Now as we need to find the passcode for batch at 12 noon, that is 3rd batch, for this we will note down the pattern of the labeled numbers for batch 3 that we obtained in the initial example, which is 4, 2, 1, 5, 3 and 6. Now for each labeled number in batch 3, we will write the corresponding words from the passcode given in the question. Such as the corresponding word for the labeled number 4 is A, so we will write A below 4. Corresponding word for the labeled number 2 is pen, so we will write pen below 2. Now the corresponding word for the labeled number 1 is, so we will write is below 1. The corresponding word for the labeled number 5 is very, so we will write very below 5. Now the corresponding word for the labeled number 3 is new, so we will write new below 3. And the corresponding word for the labeled number 6 is this, so we will write this below 6. Therefore the passcode for 3rd batch at 12 noon is a pen, is very, new this. Now let's do the last question based on initial example. In this question, we are asked that what will be the input if passcode for immediate pre-rest hour batch is Tom and Jack are not here. Now as it is mentioned in the question that this passcode is for immediate pre-rest hour batch, and the immediate pre-rest hour batch according to initial example is batch 3, which begins work at 12 noon. So we can write that the given passcode is of batch 3. And now we will note down the pattern of the label numbers for the batch 3 that we obtained in the initial example, which is 4, 2, 1, 5, 3 and 6. As this is the pattern of the numbers which we labeled to the words of batch 3, therefore we can also label the words of the passcode of 3rd batch given in the question in the same order. So we will label Tom by number 4, Ann by number 2, Jack by number 1, R by number 5, Not by number 3 and Here by number 6. Now we need to find the input, and as we know from the initial example that the order of the labeled numbers for input is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we will simply write the words corresponding to the labeled numbers, such as the corresponding word for labeled number 1 is Jack, so we will write Jack below 1. Corresponding word for label number 2 is and, so we will write and below 2. Now the corresponding word for the label number 3 is not, so we will write not below 3. Corresponding word for the label number 4 is Tom, so we will write Tom below 4. Now the corresponding word for the label number 5 is R, so we will write R below 5. And the corresponding word for the label number 6 is here, so we will write here below 6. Therefore the input is Jack and not Tom are here. And this is how we will solve sequential output tracing questions. To gain speed on these questions, Visit our website www.smartkeeda.com and practice there. So keep learning and have a great time.